מה קורה חברים? אז זה הסרטון השני שלנו השבוע של חטיפים.
As you guys know, it is snack week. So on Monday, we tried all kinds of Israeli clique chocolates, all the different flavors. And today, we are with Snack Week Video 2, where we're going to be trying
all
kinds
of Bamba. Okay, now somebody gave us a suggestion and we said that's a great way to basically test all the Bambas. I think we've tasted most of them, but even the ones that we haven't tasted, it's good to basically rate them from 1 to 10.
Yes.
As מי שהגיב ואמר על Bamba, there's no name on this comment, so as you guys see right now, there's no name, but if you guys give us suggestions, we do take it into consideration and we have one more video.
Head over to our Instagram page and go and comment on our latest Instagram post what video you think that we should make on Saturday for our snacks. Don't forget that we always post storyboards and things like that, so if you want to keep up with us on a day-to-day basis, go and follow us on Instagram. Also, this is so exciting. We have officially reached 4,000 subscribers and we're so excited that we've decided that we really want to do a giveaway. So we're not entirely sure what
Cassandra's idea, not mine.
So let us know in the comments what you think will be a cool thing to do for a giveaway, and we're going to be announcing it in our video on Saturday. So make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you can see that video and enter the giveaway.
אוקיי, אז חברים, כמו שהיא אמרה, אנחנו ב-4,000 עוקבים. עכשיו, מה שאני יכול להגיד לכם, שאנחנו רוצים רעיונות לדברים שהייתם רוצים שאנחנו נביא לכם מכם, שהייתם רוצים מאיתנו, שנכין לכם משהו של הערוץ שלנו, לא יודע, מה שתרצו. אנחנו לא ככה עשירים, אבל נראה מה אנחנו הולכים לעשות. קיצור, זה בסרטון הבא, ביום שבת אנחנו נגיד לכם בדיוק איך זה עובד. וגם תשאירו לנו תגובות לאיזה חטיפים אתם הייתם רוצים שאנחנו נעשה ליום שבת. זהו, נגמר.
Amazing. Okay, so let's get started with today's video where we're going to be trying all the different flavors of Bamba.
Everybody always said to us that nougat needs to be in the freezer. So we did that, but we didn't just do that. We put 2 other Bambas in the freezer.
Ooh.
Okay, I decided to freeze without her knowing the Bamba Nougat, Bamba Halva, and the Blonda.
Blonda, that's the new one.
That's the new one that we haven't tried.
New.
Brand new, yeah. Everyone says it's brand new, so we said we have to try it.
But I kind of think that we should start with the original first.
I think we should start with the original. And we're gonna rate 1 to 5 because there's only 5 Bambas.
So as you guys know, or maybe you don't know, Bamba means baby. Bamba baby. There's the little Bamba baby. He's really, really cute. Let's open it up.
So as you guys know, Bamba is peanut butter. We've tasted this before, if you guys have seen in our previous snack videos, and we love it.
We literally have Bamba every single day. I mean, his dad buys like these huge bags with a whole bunch of these Bamba things inside. But for those of you who've never seen Bamba before, basically it's like a fling. It's like these tiny little chips. Okay, so there's the tiny little fling. And you've mentioned many times that people in Israel or babies always eat this food, and that's why no one in Israel is allergic to peanuts.
Okay, no. There are people that are allergic to peanuts.
Basically, this chip, like as you eat it, it turns into peanut butter in your mouth. So if you love peanut butter, obviously they're all gonna have this peanut butter flavor, but this one is like the original, tastes literally like peanut butter.
The first one ever made, probably, yeah.
It's so good, and I love it. And it's really high in protein, so it's actually pretty good for you.
That was very nice. The next Bamba, everyone's favorite. We all know what I'm gonna pick this. Bamba Nougat.
Bamba Nougat.
Okay, now this one right here is frozen.
Nougat is chocolate.
It's not chocolate.
Does nougat mean chocolate in Hebrew?
I think it's chocolate, right?
Because nougat is always like nougat. I never really understood why they call it nougat.
I don't know.
Well,
she always asks me questions that I don't know. I don't know why she's asking me. Stop asking me.
Well, I don't know. You're meant to be able to speak Hebrew.
Well, I don't speak very well, so.
So yes, as you guys can see, the packaging on this one is brown, obviously because it's got chocolate on the inside. And so many of you guys commented on a video saying that we have to freeze it. So that was genius that you did this. This one is the same as the other Bamba, except as you can see on the inside, there is chocolate filled Bamba. There's chocolate on the inside of the Bamba.
Very, very nice.
This is delicious. You know what this tastes like? It's like a peanut butter cup. except in a chip form.
is
The
amazing.
peanut butter is on the outside, it's like the chip, and then the inside is this Nutella kind of chocolate on the inside. Someone DM'd us on Instagram saying that we have to dip the bamba inside some milk. So I've got this cute little glass of milk over here, and now we're gonna try dipping the bamba nougat inside the milk and then tasting it.
Not much difference, but it's nice. It's nice with or without the milk. There isn't much of a difference, Cassandra.
Oh, it's really nice.
I don't taste anything, Cassandra.
It's really nice. It's like, you know when you dip a cookie inside tea?
I can't with her on it.
I
Everything
did.
for her is there's no difference.
Yes, it is.
I don't taste any difference.
You know how you've got the cold with the melty chocolate stuff? It's really good. There's actually inside a cup of hot chocolate. Imagine.
Okay.
Imagine hot chocolate with bamba with chocolate.
Well, I know, Cassandra, you don't get any ideas. Thank you. Please, next bamba.
This one I'm choosing because it's very different to the other bambas. I thought originally that all bambas are kind of peanut butter flavor, but this one is pink and not at all peanut butter flavor. It is bamba aduma.
Bamba Duma.
Bamba aduma. It still has the little bamba baby, but as you can see over here, it's these little red kind of crunchy balls. So yes, let's open this baby up. This one doesn't want to open.
How is it that it took...
Thank you, Macho Man.
Oh,
You're so dramatic.
women are just as good as men in everything.
Yes, they are. Thank you very much.
Why
I should tell them what you said earlier.
I didn't say anything. Okay.
Exactly.
Never mind. Okay, first of all, like Cassandra likes to do, as you see, it looks very different than all the other bambas. It's a circle, it's round.
It's a circle, it's round, it's red, it's delicious. And, you know, I have to say that if maybe I dip this in milk, it might just be amazing.
And fabulous. It's
I'm sure it will be.
nice. Let's talk about what I like about this and what I don't like about it, and then we can go over another 500 times. Then we can move on to the next one.
Okay, I'll be Jake. I have nothing to say.
What's wrong with being me? What's wrong with not having... What's wrong with not talking 500 hours every single day?
Terrible. Oh, come on. Guys,
She found this from yesterday.
from yesterday.
She's the biggest. Where's the red one though?
Oh.
She went to go find the red one, the red bamba. She came with a clique from 2 days ago.
I found it.
Okay, eat it.
No. So overall, this bamba is really nice. It's not my favorite, to be honest. This is probably number 3 in the list. I mean, I prefer normal bamba and bamba nougat.
This is number 2 for me.
Really?
Next one is something that she very much loves the taste of, and it's bamba halva.
Bamba halva. Look at that goodness. Now the thing is that I've been in Israel now for how long? A month and a half?
A month and a half.
A month and a half.
It's too good for me, but I wanted you anyway. I always loved you over my head, even when you lived alone to make your parents mad. Say goodbye to your old life, turn the page, follow my bed.
We have just landed, and I can't believe that we've officially made it to Israel.
And I still actually haven't had halva. I haven't had halva, have I?
You haven't?
Yeah.
No, that's the only thing.
This is the only halva that I've had. So guys, give us recommendations on places where you think I could get, or like a really good brand that I could get in the supermarket of halva, and then I can try it. I can try that.
Okay.
The same way as the bamba nougat is, where it's got the bamba on the outside, except instead of nougat on the inside, it's got halva on the
Halva.
inside. It's really good. You see, you do like the milk.
I want to see if there's a difference. I like it or I don't like it. I said there's no difference.
Yes, it does. Let us know if you guys like dipping your bamba in milk, because someone messaged us privately, DM'd on Instagram to say we have to do this. So she must really love it.
Shumas, really.
I'm with you, girl. I agree with you.
She's with you, girl. She almost broke the whole house. The whole building just fell apart with that boom. Last but not least, this we've never tasted.
Never.
When they say this name, it actually just looks like white chocolate.
White chocolate.
I think they mean white chocolate.
White chocolate.
This one is
Bamba.
Bamba Blonda.
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 It literally looks the same as Bamba Khalva, Bamba Nougat, except this is meant to be white chocolate. Let's check out.
Try.
Let's try it out.
Okay.
Oh, it smells a lot sweeter. This is the one that we both haven't tried, so this is quite an exciting time. You're dipping it straight away? Did you freeze this one as well?
Yeah, froze all three.
From the outside, it looks like a slightly darker paste than the Bamba Khalva.
This tastes a little bit like Bamba Khalva. Maybe a little bit sweeter than it.
It's literally a sweet Bamba Khalva. I actually like this one more than Bamba Khalva.
Yeah, this one tastes better.
It feels like they filled the chip with a little bit more sauce.
It's very nice. This one is very nice.
I need a sip of milk with all this sweetness.
I'll give it to you guys straight up how it is.
Oh really?
How it is.
How is it?
For me, it goes like this. Number one, everybody's favorite, the normal Bamba Baby. Number two, Bamba Aduma. Yes, I'm sorry, but I really love it.
I don't agree.
It's still simple. I don't know what it tastes like, but it just tastes good.
Okay.
Just like the food coloring that I like. Right? It's food coloring?
Like the color. You like to taste red.
Yeah, I like red. The next one is, this is a hard one.
Yeah.
It's between Nougat and Blonda. And I gotta say, and I gotta be honest, I really like the Blonda. Blonda is number 3 for me.
Number 3.
As you guys already heard, Nougat is number 4.
And number 5. Bamba Khalva.
I don't like Khalva. I'm just not a Khalva. I don't like Khalva. I don't like it. So this is what, for me, I probably would never even buy this. It's number 5 on my list.
Okay, my turn. Because we both know who's got better taste buds here. In first place. Well, it depends on my mood.
No mood. There's no moods. There's no nothing.
In first position, it's gonna have to be the original, because you know this stuff, you just can't get enough of it. You can eat this every single day. Number 2, I'm gonna have to say that it is Bamba Blondie. Third place, which was actually very close to being second place, it has to be Bamba Nougat, because I love chocolate and it's so good. Nope. So it has to be this one. Then in fourth place, it's gotta be Bamba Khalva. Last but not least, it's still good, but it's not great, you know what I mean? It is Bamba Aduma. Bum, bum, bum. That was our rating of Bambas. We hope you guys agree with us. Let us know in the comments down below if you guys have your favorite Bamba. What is your favorite Bamba? And yeah, if you guys have any snack video suggestions, like we said, we're gonna be recording another video for Saturday. So make sure that you comment so we see your comment and think about making that video for you. And also don't forget to like, subscribe, turn the bell notifications on so that you get to see our video on Saturday, which of course we're gonna be doing our giveaway. So stay tuned for that and we will see you all in our next video.
Alright, done.
I'm a little wormy worm, please subscribe. I'm a little wormy worm, please subscribe. I'm a little wormy worm, please subscribe right now and turn the bell notifications on.